This bird wants something because it's been out here, right? Oh shit, they love blueberries I got from the farmer's market. Yeah, that bird ate that up. Yo, that blueberry up. It was another one, but not good for it's for me.
One for you, one for him.
Yeah,
You have pretty eyes.
Oh man. I can't give this bird anymore.
Oh, that'll be cute.
Nah. Oh, he looking, he looking. I reach my hand out. They can't run into that. That's the last one, though. That's the last one. Now he's expecting more. Don't come towards him. Don't come towards him. He's ready to take it out of my hands. If I turn away, let me turn away. Yeah, he's expecting some now. He's not getting no more. That's for me. Alright, let's see this bird with some peaches. I left them. I threw one. I just had come this bird running to this. Oh man. Oh, yeah, I hate me, man. Alright. I ain't giving you guys no more. That's some of my peaches. Try to do something good for these birds, you know. Gotta eat all this chemicals and stuff they've been eating. Got this stuff in the farmer's market.